Tickets went on sale for that big AFC Championship game today at noon and sold out within a matter of minutes. Denver 7 reporter Mark Boyle is live. Mark, there are still options for those wanting to get into that game on Sunday, though.
That's right. Everybody had their laptops very close by today. You know, we tried to jump onto Ticketmaster and buy some tickets ourselves. I was unsuccessful, as was Jason Luber. There were a few people in the newsroom who were able to snag a few tickets, as everybody, thousands across the metro area, swarming this website, trying to get some of those tickets to the big AFC Championship matchup coming up. Now, after those tickets sold out in just a matter of minutes, the number of available tickets on sites like StubHub and Ticket Exchange skyrocketed. Obviously, a lot of people buying from Ticketmaster at face value and then turning around and selling them for a profit elsewhere. We're finding that tickets are anywhere from $400 to about $8,000. Fans we spoke with say it's worth the money.
I can't even describe it. I'm ecstatic. You know, usually one playoff game a year, but there's something about next week that I just had to do. And yeah, ecstatic would be the word that I would use for next week.
Okay, so the most expensive ticket we found, a mere $42,000. That's for section 119. It's not even the front row there. In fact, there are 15 seats available at that price. Just a little cut of a check, right, to take the family to a game like that. We're live at Sports Authority Field. Mark Boyle, Denver 7.
It's going to be